I'm the best teacher? I can still be better than the best. When I was a school student, one of my maths is one of the most favorite teacher of our school. I studied in NagaRAJU district, Kolhapur, and some of you might know the place. So I was taught by a maths teacher. One day he came to the class and said, okay, today I'm going to give you back the papers, the answer scripts. And he said, okay, Raju, everybody used to score very high marks in this class because he was such a good teacher. So somebody called 80 marks, 100 marks, Jyoti 98 marks, Krishnavedi 100 marks, and like that he was distributing papers. Everybody was scoring well. And suddenly he called one student, Ramaswamy, in my class. Ramaswamy, 200 marks. 100, how can everybody get 200? Then after all the papers were distributed, then he asked us, oh, you might be wondering why this fellow has got 100 marks. You know what happened? He has got 200 marks because the question paper read, I studied in Telugu. The question paper read, ఈ క్రింది అది ప్రశ్నలలో ఏవేని ఐదింటికి సమాధానం రాయండి. Answer any 5 of the papers. What did this fellow, this Ramaswamy? He did all the 10. In the 5. Within the time. But not only he did all the 10, he did something more than that. At the end of the paper, he wrote it. Gamanika. Sir. He wrote, sir, find 10 జవాబులలో ఏవేని 5 ఆన్సర్. I'm sure I did 100 marks. So that's why I gave 200 marks. Like that, even the best also can be better. So if I am a good teacher, I can be better. Even if I am the best teacher already, still there is scope for me to be the better. Now, so in case I ask you to think to yourself for 2 minutes and make a list of things, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 points, but you can quickly think, that will give yourself a spark. You are not going to motivate your students. I am not asking you to motivate your students. I am not asking you to change the system. Right? I am not asking you to change the world. Right? The world, of course, needs to be changed, but that's not my task now. My task now is to give myself a spark. To give myself greater motivation. To orient myself to my task better. To redefine my objectives to perform better in my class as an English teacher. My objective is only teaching English and helping my students learn English. At this stage, I am not interested in making them prime ministers, making them chartered accountants, making them leaders and all that. My objective is to teach them good, simple, as far as possible correct, communicative English.
To their level.
Sorry?
Must accepting.
That's all. That's acceptable English.
When we love our job.
No, wait, please wait. No, I don't want answers now. I'm going to give you a piece of paper. I would like to just please take one and pass the rest. Right? Write 4 or 5 things that you can do to ignite your spark. Have you understood the question? What will you do to yourself to become a better English? Write down 4 or 5 classes.
Collect all papers and give it to you.
First now. Okay, kids, stop now.
Hey, this is
Has it
red.
reached the last bench?
This is red.
Please stop there. Please go back to class. Now, you have to tell me
For others not going.
one intelligent, creative, practicable. It must be really possible. Maybe people have written lots of things that are impossible. They are good, ideal, but not possible. So think of something positive, practicable, right? Creative, original ideas that not you have written, but somebody has written. Others' papers, no? You might have read something that is interesting. So give only those ideas. Ideas that somebody else has contributed.
Sir,
Somebody has, you don't know who it is, but just one point, not a
I
sentence.
love my job.
Not yours. Somebody moved. So loving the job, loving the love for the job is a spark. Is that a spark?
Yes.
Right? How many of you love your job? Please raise your hands. Thank you very much. That's wonderful. I think are the management's principals here? Nobody. So if the principals, yeah, I think somebody must take this photo.
Please come
Please come here. Please, if you love your job, please raise your hand again. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. If you love your job, that spark is not easy love for the job. Love for the thing that you are doing. So every day morning when you go to the class, right, all the burdens and stresses and other things that you have, you leave that behind and go to the class with all the love that you can carry with you to the class. You love your students greater than your own children. You love what you are doing. Somebody said, either love the job that you get or get the job that you love. Either of these. Right? If you want to get the job that you love. Otherwise, what is your job you get? You love. Okay, so love for job. Any other answers that you have read in other statements? How do you give that spark to yourself?
That is a negative sentence.
How does it help you become a better English teacher? That is something.
This one is spark, right?
I want to become an English teacher.
What is my role?
Sorry?
What is my role?
What is my role? Knowing my role better. Okay, what is the teacher's role?
What is my role as a teacher?
Know your role. Know your role. What is the English teacher's role? Developing communication skills, not teaching the lessons, not completing the syllabus, not conflict resolution. That's good. If you do complete, excellent. That's additional. But your basic role is to improve the communication skills of your students. That is exactly why you are paid a salary. Every rupee, every paisa that I am earning from government is coming to me because I am teaching my students to improve their language skills. If my students speak better English because of me, I am doing my work.
Nation building.
Right? See, let me repeat the sentence. If my students are using better English because of me, not because of themselves, not because they watched the TV. If they watched the TV because I told them, then I am responsible. I am motivating them to watch television and they watched it, that's fine. Right? I am asking them to go to the library and they have gone to the library and I ask them to read a book at a particular book, they have read that book and learned it, then I can give myself credit. So the credit should come to me. Tomorrow the student said, I learned English because we had one teacher who motivated us and she loved us and she gave us this tip and that's why I am speaking better English. So if your students say that, then you know your work. Maybe if you build better bonds among them, if you have played the most interesting games and all that, they are auxiliary, they are subsidiaries. So they are all tools that you are using to achieve the main goal. The main goal is to improve their English language skills. So are you doing this or not? Ask yourself, maybe every day, every week, ask yourself, how much have I done to my students to improve their English language skills? Are they better, right, than what they were a day ago, a week ago, a year ago? And how much credit for that should go to me? I pat myself on my back. Then, anything else?
Passionate towards work.
Sorry?
Passionate towards work.
Passion is say love and passion.
Love.
I have passion or love. You like this word? I also love that word.
I need the upcoming trends and changes.
I mean,
The upcoming trends and changes.
okay, I'll update myself. So, updating myself. Updating on what?
Reading books and books and books. Volumes and
What
volumes.
is
How
that?
to meet the upcoming trends and it's been changing, right?
Yeah, there are two things. One content and one the trade, the technique. So the teacher has to update herself or himself on two areas. One is the technique and the objectives. Okay. And more important than that, the teacher has to constantly, continuously, unendingly improve her own English.
Be a learner. Yeah.
My own English must be better. My English must be better. How can it be better? How do I improve my English? Sorry? How do I improve my own English?
By reading books.
Simple one sentence answer is I must do whatever I am asking my students to do. What am I asking my students to do? I am asking my students to watch TV. I am asking my students to read books. I am asking my students to speak English outside the class.
That we do.
What am I doing? I say, okay, outside the class also speak English. Go and speak your mother and speak English. I say that, but why do that? I must be. So simple. I mean, it doesn't need big discussion. If I just do what I am asking my students to do, I think I have become better English user, and my skills are improving, my technique is improving, my content is improving, my methodology is improving. So last point is
And to know what the learner is interested in.
That's a very good idea. So know your students. This actually needs a long discussion. Many of us, if I ask you a very simple question, why are you not able to achieve all that you want to achieve? Like I gave you an example earlier, you said, sir, my students don't open their mouths at all. My students don't make an effort at all. My students are really lazy. My students are idiots. My students are incapable fellows. Nobody can teach them. This is the answer that we get, no? Now, know your students. You are in your job only because your students are idiots. Suppose they are very bright. Do you think you will be appointed?
Google is there on.
Who will appoint you? Do we need English teachers then? Suppose your students are very bright. English department is removed.
Yes.
No need English teachers. We need English teachers because
We are in demand. We are in demand because of it.
we are in demand because of that. But don't continue the demand. Don't sustain the demand because you want to protect your job. So we need English teachers because our students are like that. That's the reason why we need them in the class. So we are paid for that, and we must know our students. Our students are deficient in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I am paid for that, and that's right. So knowing your students, knowing your environment, knowing your textbook, knowing your objectives is absolutely essential for you to grow as a teacher. So please do all this and other things that you've read in the papers and improve yourself as a teacher. Give yourself this spark. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.